My name is Grace Harnett, and I will be explaining how my CMN 2173 research paper came to be and what I have learned from the overall experience. This year has been especially unique given the current global pandemic. I have learned a lot about not only myself, but also society during these trying times. I have spent more time in the last 8 months online, whether that be on social media or in class, than ever before. This is what ultimately led me towards my research question. I chose to research how TikTok has changed the way that they advertise to me in the age of the pandemic. I chose this research topic because I felt it best reflects my own experience while in quarantine. I, like a lot of other people, spent a lot of my time on the app, and because of this, I spent more money this year on online shopping than ever before. Because of this, I sought out to examine how advertising on TikTok has changed as a result of changes in the world, such as a movement from summer to fall and in-class lectures to online lectures. I wanted to see if brands would continue utilizing the TikTok app to target users and if that would have an impact on my online spending. My data gathering process consisted of writing out field notes and writing prompts on my laptop. I talked about my thoughts and feelings and about my life and social issues. I then coded my field notes, prompts, and images into 5 separate categories. These categories consisted of feelings, mass media, products, brands, and locations. I then created a table to show my coding research so I could identify patterns and anomalies. A significant pattern that my data presented was themes of sadness. I think that this is reflective of the current state of the world, and it really emphasized how much you can learn not only about yourself, but about the world through an assignment such as this. I've learned so much about consumption and advertising, and with my continued learning throughout the duration of this course, I've become more conscientious of my own personal consumption habits. I have learned how to recognize manipulative advertisements and have been spending less attention to them in general. My research journey is important because I think it deals with an issue that is highly relatable to a lot of people during this pandemic. The study demonstrates that by becoming aware of the mass manipulations that are being used in consumer society and thus becoming critical of them can result in less time online shopping and more time being an analytical and contemplative member of society, specifically the online society. Overall, I have learned that while brands will continue to find new ways to advertise their products through making use of current trends, it is more important now than ever to remain critical and careful of where we direct our money and attention and to whom we are giving it to.